Visualization techniques are under active and constant development, and there are still many unknowns about how human beings process visual information. Although not perfect, the existing insights on visualization are definitely worth our close attention. For example, let us look at the research on visual memory. Knowing this concept helps lay a strong foundation for our quest for developing effective visualizations. When receiving visual stimuli, our eyes convert them into electrical signals for our brain. These signals go through different stages of our visual memory. Each of them has its own strengths, limitations, and functions. The three stages of memory associated with our visual perception are iconic memory, working memory, and long-term memory. Iconic memory is the first stop where our visual information is processed. The encounter is very brief, and it usually lasts less than half a second. Since our brain is using this iconic memory to decide on whether the visual stimulus is worthy of our attention, it is important for us to make our visualization as noteworthy as possible in the context of iconic memory. Working memory is the next stage during which our brain groups visual signals into meaningful entities and holds them. The challenge presented by working memory is the fact that it can only hold 3 to 5 things at a given time. Anything beyond that gets lost. Therefore, an effective visualization strategy is to not exceed more than 5 objects in a visualization. Long-term memory is the final stage that our visual thinking goes through. It is facilitated by the expectations and norms accumulated by your personal experience. In order for long-term memory to retain a visual signal, the objects you're seeing need to be familiar and conforming to norms. For example, if you use a bar chart, a viewer will seek out what the x-axis and y-axis mean. As a result, it is critical to take what happens during the long-term, working, and iconic memory stages into account when you design your visualization solution.